Hello everybody, good morning, Yaku here. Hope you're all doing well. I'm checking my analytics on my YouTube videos. So we've got like three areas of people that are actually watching the videos. South Africa, Great Britain, and Ireland. So what I would like to do is I would like everybody just drop in the comment section, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and then tell us, hola, my name is John, I'm from Joburg, for example. Just as a fun exercise to see who is from where and how far does the reach go. All right, so please do that for me. I would like to see where the audience is from. We've got a lot of exciting news coming soon, but I will give you guys a heads up when something is about to happen or give you a date, something like that. So have a fantastic day. Look after yourself, stay safe, and we'll talk again. Bye-bye.